In the digital age, how should we manage our online branding?
Well, so we want to make sure we've got, again, a full communicated package of who we are, not just one narrow limited thing, but who we are as a person, right? So we might have a business interest, but include some other things as well. And then be sure to be engaging, in that online environment. So sharing information that, again, that is aligned with what your personal brand is about, right? So if you are about, human rights, make sure that you're posting and sharing things about human rights, not things that are, negative or always about human rights abuses, right? You want to be showing a positive, solution-oriented kind of message that you're giving.